Back.
Yes, we're back with the wonderful pulchritudinous.
The everlastingly beautiful novelty.
Novelty.
We were talking about technology novelty, and so God punched the question at an opportune time. I mean, and you made a point that the technology came in, and a lot of people criticized it. It was, the work of the devil, etc., etc. And you are correct. We are at that point now where we can hardly do without this technology. My sense, though, is, and the view of all of us here at Yaawd Media, is that this platform is where entertainment is going to be a major part of where entertainment is going to be delivered. Is going to be through the technological platform. Certainly, you can reach a much larger audience at the same time, as opposed to packing up a band and going on a tour, and you play to small stages where you're seating 5,000-10,000 people. You can put a show out there, you're reaching 100,000, a million people. In fact, my sense is if Marley was around, Marley would be playing to concerts with 5 and 10 million people. That's the power of the music.
Yes.
How do you see novelties and novelties? How you are crafting, your work at this point, relative to the technology and the industry?
That is an excellent question, because you know what, I'm all about it. Like I say, I'm all about that. Like people say, I'm all about that life,
right?
Because I see it. I see where technology is going. I mean, look at what's going on. Look at all the MetaVerse and all these things that's happening. I don't know if a lot of people are really keeping up with what's going on in the digital space.
That's
right.
The devil.
But I am, and I see what's going on. And even the top musicians are now releasing their albums in the MetaVerse, because it is not only a way to even protect your assets more, it's a way to reach much more people and make much more money than somebody listening to your songs on, say, Spotify.
Right.
So playing to audiences digitally and over the technological sphere,
right.
for want of a better word. It's technosphere. Hello, there you go. Is to me a bigger. It's bigger than we can even imagine, and it's going to take us even further as artists if we just embrace it. Because I think that it's nice to travel and it's nice to go the world over, which I'm sure will happen. But the world is changing, and you've got to change with it. And look at what's happening with the pandemic. Had we not had technology, people like myself would not be heard, because I don't have, I know that I'm not the biggest name out there. Okay,
well,
so a lot of people would not have seen me. Well, no, not the biggest name, but bless your heart.
We're working on it. We're working on it. Novelty. We're working on it.
I received that.
There you go. There you go.
But I love technology, and to Garth's question, had it not been for that, what would people have done in 2020 and beyond? And now people are even sticking with it, because we see the pandemic is lingering on, and it's still not safe, especially for people who may have underlying issues and stuff like that, who still want to remain in a safe space.
Right.
So it has been amazing. And this is what has helped me in 2020, 2021 to kind of like move my career forward, even when everything else had stopped.
In fact, you talk about moving your career forward and 2021. From our perspective at Yaawd Media, we believe, that you made a major mark on this landscape in 2021. Well, we did feature you on our first Summer Breeze concert in that was Labor Day. What was it? Memorial Day, right?
Memorial Day. 2 days after my birthday, or 3 days after my birthday.
There you go. We need to keep that in mind.
Hint.
Yeah, so you say, oh, she understand the technology thing, magic, God, you notice?
Yeah, man.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
So,
You can send her a virtual present.
I accept Cash App.
But thinking about that, we're probably gonna say we can dig up a little piece out one of that, just to give the people a reminder. But the fact is, when we did that concert, we reached over 20,000 people with that concert, right?
Wow.
And you know, a lot of people were kind of thinking, oh, we should do it as a live concert, and I had already bought into the concept that entertainment is gonna go digital, it's gonna stay online, you know, and so I think that redeemed us. But to your point, artists are now required, it's almost a requirement if you want to be successful as an artist, that you have to be prepared to operate within this technological space. You have to be very careful, and that's one of the things that I noticed about you in terms of how you have handled your marketing, in terms of the creation and the protection of your image. Speak a little bit more about that for us.
Well, you know, I just do what comes naturally to me. Maria is proper.
I love it. Your ears are proper.
Hi there. If you enjoyed that clip, go on over to our website at yawdmedia.com, where you can watch the entire broadcast at your leisure. And while you're there, why don't you check out our other reggae music features? And before you leave, pick up some of our Jamaican reggae merchandise, and hey, don't forget to tell your friends.
My name is Garth, otherwise known as Big G.
My name is Richie Blackford.